Today I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Expedia. Whether your travel plans have changed or you simply need your money back, this guide will walk you through the entire refund process step by step, including how to contact their support team if needed. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your credentials to access your account. After signing in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Click on Trips. This section houses all your booking information, both upcoming and past. Now find and click on the specific booking you want to refund. It will be listed under either your upcoming trips or past trips, depending on when you booked it. Once you've opened the booking details, take a moment to review the cancellation policy. This is crucial because not all bookings are refundable. Look carefully for terms like refundable fare or free cancellation. These indicators will tell you whether you're eligible to receive your money back. If your booking is eligible for a refund, you'll see an option that says cancel or change or cancel. Go ahead and click on it. The system may prompt you to select a reason for cancellation from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your situation, then review the refund amount displayed on the screen. This is the amount Expedia will return to you based on their policies and any fees that may apply. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Cancel Booking or Request Refund to finalize your cancellation. After submitting, note the confirmation details that appear on your screen. This includes the expected refund amount and the timeline for when you can expect to see the money back in your account. Typically, Expedia states that refunds can take 6 to 8 weeks to process, so be prepared for that wait time. Shortly after, check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Expedia. This serves as your official record of the cancellation and refund request, so keep it for your records in case any issues arise later. Alternatively, if you want to follow up on your refund request or need additional assistance, open a new tab in your browser and search for Contact Expedia Customer Service. From the search results, click on Get in Touch with Expedia Customer Service. Once you're on their contact page, navigate to the section labeled Reach Us by Phone and click Get Started. In the right panel that appears, look for Contact Us and click Get in Touch. You'll now see a drop-down menu. Click the first drop-down and select Refund. Then click the second drop-down menu and choose your preferred option based on your specific issue. Then click Next. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. Give us a call or chat with us. For instance, if you click Give us a call, you'll see their local and international contact numbers listed right there. You can use these to speak directly with a representative who can help expedite your refund or answer any questions you might have. And there you have it. You've successfully requested a refund from Expedia and know exactly how to follow up if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.